Good morning students. Today discuss about Mathematics Basics Sample Question Paper 2020-21. Continue the 1 mark session. Question number 11. Write the empirical relationship among mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode. Empirical relationship mean, median and mode formula 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. Mode plus 2 mean, or write mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. Therefore, 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean, or write mode equal to 3 median plus left hand side on the minus 2 mean. 12th question. To divide a line segment BC internally in the ratio 3:5, we draw a ray BX such that CBX is an acute angle. What will be the minimum number of points to be located at a equal distance on ray BX? Therefore, BC is a line. Therefore, 3:5 internally in the ratio 3:5. Therefore, the answer is written as 3 plus 5 equal to 8 equal parts. It is a direct 8. What is the minimum number of points to be located equal distance on ray BX equal to 8 equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. Only write an answer 8 only. Not a diagram. 13th question. For what values of P does pair of equation 4x plus py equal to 8 equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0 has a unique solution? 13th question. Unique solution. First write the equation 4x plus py plus 8 equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. The unique solution condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. The unique solution condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 oda value, the x oda coefficient 4 by a2 oda value, x oda coefficient oda value 2 not equal to b1 by b2. b1 oda value, y oda coefficient oda value p, b2 y oda coefficient oda value 2. Simplifying 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Cross multiplying 4 not equal to p, p not equal to 4 is a solution. Therefore, the value of p is p not equal to 4. Second question. What type of straight lines will be represented by the system of equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 4x plus 6y equal to 7? 3 condition. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 is a unique solution. a1 by a2 b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 is a many solution. a1 by a2 b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2 is a no solution. It is many solution. It is a unique solution. First check the values. a1 by a2. a1 oda value 8. a2 oda value 4. Cancelling 2. Next b1 by b2. b1 oda value 3. b2 oda value 6. Sorry, this value is 2. a1 oda value 2. Therefore, 1 by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2. C1 oda value 5, C2 oda value 7. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, A1 by A2 equal to A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. It is a no solution. Question வந்து what type of straight line will be represented? Therefore, it is a parallel lines. Parallel lines. What type of lines? Therefore, it is a parallel lines. 14th question. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red? Therefore, total balls 3 red and 5 black balls. Red and 5 black balls is total number of balls 8. Probability of red ball. Probability of red ball. Favorable outcomes value 3 by total outcomes value 8. Therefore, probability of red ball value is 3 by 8. 14th second question. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a prime number? What is a probability of getting a prime number? Therefore, the total outcomes six. A die is thrown once. Therefore, the total outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Therefore, the total outcomes value is 6. Question. What is the probability getting a prime number? Therefore, prime number two, 3, 5. Prime number order value 2, 3, 5. Therefore, total number of prime numbers value 3. Therefore, probability of prime number. Probability of prime numbers. Favorable outcomes value 3. Total outcomes order value 6. Therefore, 1 by 2. Probability of prime number 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Number 15. A tower stands vertically on a ground from a point on the ground which is 50 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60. Find the height of the tower. A tower is vertically on the ground 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is 50 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is to be 60. The top of the tower 50 meters away from the 60 degree angle. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. H is a height of the tower. Find H. Adjacent side, opposite side. Therefore, using tan 60, opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 60 oda value √3, H by 15. Therefore, H equal to 15 √3 meter. Therefore, the height of the tower is AB equal to H. The height of the tower is 15 √3 meter. 16th question. Probability of event E plus probability of event not E is, the value is 1. Therefore, P of E, probability of not event E is, the value is 1. The 16th question answer is 1. Question number 17. See in the figure. Mathematics teacher of a school took a 10th standard students to show Redford It was a part of their educational trip. The teacher had interest in history as well. She narrated to fact of report to students. Then the teacher said, in this moment, one can find combination of solid figures. There are two pillars which are cylindrical shape. There are two pillars. The one pillar, another is a two pillar, is a cylindrical shape. Also two domes at the corner which are hemispherical. It is a hemispherical. 1, 2. It is a hemispherical shape. Next, 7 smaller domes at the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 smaller domes at the center. Flag hosting at ceremony on the Independence Day takes place near these domes. It is a cylindrical shape. 7 dome is a hemispherical. It is a hemispherical shape, sir. Ask him some questions. How much cloth material will be required to cover two big domes, each of radius 2.5 meter? How much cloth material will be required to cover two big domes? In the two big domes cover panna, how much cloth material will be? The radius is 2.5 meter. First, see, recall hemispherical oda curved surface area 2 pi r square, total surface area 3 pi r square, volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Cylinder oda curved surface area 2 pi r h, total surface area 2 pi r into h plus r, volume pi r square h. First question, how much cloth material will be two big domes? It is a curved surface of a hemispherical. Cloth material required. Cloth material required two big domes. 2 into surface area of a hemispherical dome. Surface area of a hemispherical oda formula 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Therefore 2 into 2 4 into pi, radius oda value 2.5 meters. 2.5 into 2.5. Therefore 4 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 to 2.5 under 6.25. Multiplying and simplifying, the final answer is 78.57 meter square. 7 cancel பண்ணி 4 into 22 into 6.25 into 7 oda simplifying value 78.57 meter square. Question number 2. Write the formula to find the volume of a cylinder pillar. Cylinder pillar oda volume oda formula. The volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Therefore volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Second question oda answer pi r square h. Question 3. Find the lateral surface area of two pillars if height of the pillar is 7 meter, h is a 7 meter, and radius of the base r equal to radius of the base 1.4 meter. Lateral surface area of a two pillar. Pillar shape is a cylindrical. Pillar shape is a cylindrical shape. The curved surface of a cylindrical formula 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Therefore, required area 2 pillars. Therefore, 2 into 2 pi RH. Using the formula 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius oda value 1.4 into h oda value 7. Therefore 1 7 cancel. Therefore, multiplying 2 into 2, 4 into 22 into 1.4 oda value 123.2 meter square. 123.2 meter square. 123.2 meter square. B is a correct answer. Fourth, how much is the volume of a hemisphere if the radius of the base is 3.5 centimeter? Volume of a hemisphere if the radius of the base is 3.5 centimeter. Volume of hemisphere formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere volume of hemisphere oda formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, radius is given r equal to 3.5 meter. Therefore, volume of hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. Therefore, 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. 3 times multiply பண்ணோம். Therefore, 1 7s are 7, 0.5. Therefore, multiplying this value by dividing by 3, it is the simplification value is 89.83 meter cube. 89.83 meter cube. Simplify. Fifth question. What is the ratio of sum of volume of two hemisphere of radius 1 centimeter? Volume of two hemisphere of radius 1 centimeter. Each of the volume of sphere of radius 2 centimeter. Ratio find out பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Ratio 2 into volume of hemisphere by volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Ratio find out பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. 2 into volume of hemisphere oda formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere oda formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi cancel. 2 into 2 oda value 4 by 3. 4 by 3 4 by 3 cancel. Volume of hemisphere oda radius 1 centimeter. Therefore 1 cube by volume of sphere oda radius 2 centimeter. Therefore 2 cube. 1 cube oda value 1, 2 cube oda value 8. Therefore, ratio equal to 1:8. The ratio value is 1:8. Therefore, B is a correct answer. Question number 18. First read the question carefully. See the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The distance of 1 meter each other. Distance of 1 meter each other. Consider A as the origin. A is a origin. A is the origin. 0, 0. A is the origin. What are the coordinates of A? A is the origin. The coordinates of A is 0, 0. C is a answer. 0, 0. Question number 2. What are the coordinates of P? The coordinates of P value is, it is a P value. The x-axis value 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Y-axis oda value, this point 0 axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The coordinates of P is 4, 6 is a answer. X-axis 4, y-axis oda value 6. Therefore 4, 6. What are the coordinates of R? Third question. Coordinates of R. X-axis oda value 6. Y-axis oda value 5. X-axis oda 6. Y-axis oda value 5. Therefore 6, 5. A is a answer. Next. What are the coordinates of D? D coordinates. What of the coordinates of D? D is a 16, 0. Count பண்ணுங்க 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. X-axis value y equal to 0. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. Therefore, 16, 0. D answer. What are the coordinates of D? A. 16, 0. Fifth question. What are the coordinates of P if D is taken as the origin? D is taken at the origin. It is a second quadrant. D is taken at the origin, left hand side. What are the coordinates of P? P coordinates. Therefore, -1, -2, -3, -4. Counting -12. This value is a -12. -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Therefore, -12, 6. The coordinates value is -12, 6. B is a correct answer. Question number 20. The given figure is given. First question. Name the shape which is the wire is bent. Name the shape. This shape is a parabola. The shape is a parabola. These curves are also called parabolas. Therefore, how many zeros are there? Polynomial. How many zeros are there in the polynomial? The curve cuts in the x-axis value is a zeros of the polynomial. Therefore, 1, 2. 2 places la cut irukku. Therefore, the zeros of the polynomial is 2. The zeros of the polynomial is 2. Third question. The zeros of the polynomial are, the curve cut the x-axis value is the value, zeros of the polynomial value, -1, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, -1, 3. Therefore, the zeros of the polynomial are -1, 3. What are the expansion of the polynomial? General equation of the quadratic equation, x square minus sum of 0 into x plus product of 0. Therefore, x square sum of 0, 3 minus 1 add பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2. Therefore, plus 2 formula இருக்கக்கூடிய minus. Therefore, 3 minus 1, 2x. The sum of 0 oda value 2. Minus 1 plus 3 oda value 2. The sum of 0's oda value 2. Therefore, 2x. X square minus 2x. Product of the value 3 into minus 1. Minus 3. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial equation x square minus 2x minus 3. X square minus 2x minus 3. Fifth question. What is the value of the polynomial x equal to minus 1? X equal to minus 1 apply பண்ணீங்கன்னா minus 1 the whole square, 2 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 square பண்ணீங்கன்னா 1, minus into minus plus 2 minus 3. Therefore, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3 oda value 0. Therefore, the value of the polynomial x equal to minus 1 is 0.